So I haven't got much choice when I'm in lockdown of what I can shoot. Luckily I've got a friend in lockdown with me. It is midday. I'm going to try and do a photo shoot in this lighting. Oof, in my garden. I'm not moving anything in the garden. See, washing's out, keeping it there. Just using what I've got, what I can find in the house, which is probably going to be a chair. I'll try and give you an idea of what space we're working with. Probably making you all really dizzy. Obviously, because we're in quarantine, I'm limited in what I can use lens-wise. I've got all my really old lenses, and then I've got my Lensbabys that I never leave at the studio. So I've got a really old Sigma 24-70, I've got an amazing Lensbaby Twist 60, Lensbaby 56mm Velvet, have a look, 1.6. The Lensbaby Sol 3.5 45mm, 85, a 50 and a 35 on there. I've also got Instax with extra film, tiniest reflector in the friggin' world, and some accessories, and then the Omni Filter stuff. I don't have my 1.2 85, my 1.2 50, or my 1.2 35. I'm having to do with my basic kit stuff, which is like what I got when I first started out. But you know what? Quarantine means I can't go to the studio, so let's use this shit. Get a step ladder. So when you look at your garden, you're looking like this, but if someone's on the ladder and you shoot from down here, you suddenly get the skyline to shoot from. And if any luck, you can hide from your neighbours' houses. And if you happen to have a rotary line like I do, it's for a great reflector with sheets on it. Very glam in my dress with her slippers on. Ali's in a palm tree, surrounded by my dogs in her slippers. And we're using the bed sheet still on its, it's like a rotary line as the reflector. Ali in the bush with her slippers and one of my dogs. Right, so that's a wrap with Ali, doing it in the garden, midday, so lots of, as you can see, bar shadows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. Good on isolation, eh?